Look at this. Here you see the cross-section of the spleen. The spleen is a secondary lymphatic organ, meaning it's the place where immune defense happens. It's also served to filter blood. The spleen has a serous coat or capsule. When comparing the capsule of different lymphatic organs, it becomes clear that the spleen's capsule is different and made of squamous epithelial cell and connective tissue, which is called serous capsule. You can see the nucleus of squamous cells that are mesothelial cells of the serous capsule. From the capsule, connective tissue appendages called trabeculae enter the spleen and supports the stroma of the spleen. The spleen's stroma is made from reticular tissue. In this reticular tissue, we see the white and red pulps. The white pulp isn't actually white. It is in fact dark. It consists of lymphatic follicles that appear blue or dark blue, since they are aggregates of lymphocytes. Here we see the white pulp that appears darker than the surrounding tissues, and everything else that is visible is the red pulp, which includes splenic sinusoid and lymphocyte that are present as cellular cords called cords of Billroth. Here we see the Billroth cords, lymphocyte aggregates in form of cords. Between them, we can see the sinusoids with red blood cells visible inside that. These are red pulps. Here we see the white pulp. Inside the white pulp, we can see the central arteriole. In spite of its name, the central arteriole isn't necessarily in the center. It might take a non-central position because of the change in the size of white pulps due to lymphocytes proliferation. The white pulp's size changes when exposed to antigen. Again, you see here the white pulps and the central arteriole. That isn't actually in the center, but it is still named so. Look at the spleen trabeculae. Extensions that originate from the capsule and provide structural support, as well as dividing the spleen's arterial supply until it reaches the central arteriole in the white pulp.